In this problem, we'll perform another combination, but this time we'll use a graph rather than a system of functions. Our first question says to find f plus g at 2. We'll begin by locating x equals 2 on the x-axis. We'll now read the values of f and g off at that x value. I'll place a red dot where we have function f and where x equals 2, and we'll do the same for function g and place a blue dot on it. The value of function f at 2 we can read from the y-axis. I'll draw a dotted line connecting that dot with the y-axis, and on the y-axis we're halfway between 0 and negative 2. Halfway between 0 and negative 2 will give us negative 1. Therefore, the value of f is negative 1. We'll do the same thing with g. We'll locate the blue dot I've made and draw a line toward the y-axis, and notice that gives us a y value of positive 2. Therefore, the value of g is positive 2. So we'll now take negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2 will give us positive 1, and that will be our answer for the combination of f plus g at 2. However, we can do other operations. In the next problem I've written, we have g minus f at negative 2. We've changed the x value, and we've changed the operation. Now let's locate negative 2 on the x-axis. We'll try to look for function f at negative 2, and I'll place a red dot there. And we'll do the same for g, and place a blue dot where g is at negative 2. Once again, we'll start with the first function in line, that's g. Now we'll draw a line toward the right, toward where the y value is, and we can see the value of g is negative 2. The value of f, we'll have to look to the red dot and draw a line toward the y-axis again. That's going to be halfway between 0 and 2. That's positive 1. So the value of f is positive 1. Now we will take the value of g, negative 2, and subtract the value of f, that's positive 1. This gives us negative 2 minus 1 for a final answer of negative 3. This will also work for multiplication, but be careful about division. If the second function ends up as 0, we would be dividing by 0, which gives us an undefined answer. If the function in a division chain that you're dividing by is 0, that means our answer would be automatically D in E. Other combinations will not give you this.